Welcome to Tech Time Warp, the podcast where we peel back time to explore the fascinating world of vintage technology. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the vbesvga.drv and vbesvga.386 drivers for Windows 3.1. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about running one of the earliest graphical operating systems with modern graphics capabilities. How cool is that? Now imagine this. You've got an AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT graphics card, and you're itching to run Windows 3.1 in full high definition with true color. Sounds near impossible, right? But not for our tech wizard who created the vbesvga.drv driver. So why would anyone go through the trouble of creating a new driver for a system that's over 3 decades old? Well, let me tell you, it's all about nostalgia and a love for retro computing. It's a fascinating story of uniting old software with new hardware. This driver brings support for a multitude of graphic modes, 8-bit, 16-bit, 24-bit, you name it, all thanks to the VISA BIOS extensions. It's like breathing new life into an old computer, and I can almost hear the gears of excitement turning right now. So, what's it like running the Program Manager shell of Windows 3.1 with a gorgeous true color interface? Picture this. The familiar icons of Minesweeper and Solitaire, modernized with vibrant colors and crisp detail that makes you feel like you're right back in the 90s. It's enough to make any retro enthusiast's heart skip a beat. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. There are some glitches, and not everything is perfectly functional, but that's the charm of working with vintage technology, isn't it? As we unpack this, let's consider this question. What does it feel like to blend the old with the new? Would you want to run ancient software on state-of-the-art hardware? Well, for our creator, it's a satisfying puzzle and a personal mission. They even had to rewrite a significant chunk of the original Video 7 SVGA driver to get this all working. Talk about dedication. Now, if you're curious about how to get this driver up and running on your own system, it involves a series of tweaks that could feel Herculean to some. You'll need the Win16 driver development kit, some Visual C++ skills, and a bit of bravery to edit your system ini file. It's a hands-on experience, for sure. And have you ever heard about the intricacies of linear modes and double buffering? To the average listener, it may sound like tech jargon, but in simpler terms, it's about how the driver manages memory to keep things running smoothly. It's an impressive orchestration that enhances performance, yet still demands the right setup, like running Windows in 386 enhanced mode. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on why these retro projects are more than just technical feats. They are gateways to the past, allowing us to relive those early computing days while simultaneously challenging our current understanding of technology. Isn't it wonderful how passion leads to innovation? So whether you're a seasoned retro gamer or just a curious techie, there's something exhilarating about running Windows 3.1 with modern capabilities. It's like owning a piece of history, brought back to life with the power of today's tech. We hope this inspires you to dig into your own bits and bytes of nostalgia. Thanks for joining us on this journey through tech history today. Keep tinkering, keep exploring, and join us next time as we continue to journey through the ever-evolving landscape of technology. See you soon, and happy computing.